I'm a nice guy and get nothing in return but cut in line, mean mug, smacked on the butt. By the way, saying good game doesn't mean it's okay. Guy, butt slapping's really gay. No, that's not me now, I'm Boxman version 2. Out with the old box, in with the new. Don't expect a dance from me that's so overplayed. Boxman dance time won't get me laid. The old me would be polite and hold open doors. Not the new me, I'll walk past cause I'm hardcore. Hand me that paper, no I won't say please, because I'm a band like Sue from Glee. Which gang should I join, the Bloods or the Crips? Why not combine the two, purple is hip.
Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination.
Let's see that dinosaurs gang operation.
He's a Boxman version 2. Everything you knew about him's now untrue. He's a Boxman 2.0. He's really badass like G.I. Joe. He's a Boxman in a gang that make him do things that are insane. He's a Boxman, as you can see, breaking that table what's up on me.
So maybe gang life ain't all it's cracked up to be. Hanging out with old men who live at home just say for me. Oops, forgot to wear my undies. They all saw my box butt and made fun of me.
Stop, everybody, put your hands